Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a birthday cake while we learn Spanish. We draw the candles. Candle in Spanish is VELA. Let's draw 3 candles. 3 in Spanish is tres. We are going to draw several levels to make it bigger. Big in Spanish is grande. Let's go for the last one. I'm sure that it is delicious. Delicious in Spanish is delicioso. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say birthday cake in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use light blue. That in Spanish is said AZUL CLARO. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. We use purple, which in Spanish is morado. Very good! Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's go with the blue color, which in Spanish is azul. Let's see if you know the answer. Birthday cake in Spanish is TARTA de CUMPLEAños. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.